of the establishment of Taiwanese American Heritage Week in the 1990s. That legislation was signed into law in 1999 by then President Bill Clinton, whom we will be seeing a lot of in Missouri this fall. You know, the contributions of Taiwanese Americans to our nation are too vast to list here, but your level of excellence and expertise in the field of science, medicine, computer innovation, the arts, music, business, and even movie production are truly exceptional. You know, on the world stage, Taiwan is setting an example of democratic reform and economic growth that other nations are attempting to follow. Congressional passage of the Taiwan Relations Act in 1979, which my father also supported, has been a pivotal factor in the stability of Southeast Asia and the recent election of Taiwan's first female president, Dr. Ing-Wen Tsai. You know, in a remarkable achievement that I hope we will duplicate in this country in November. You know, in 2006, today, in 2016, Taiwan remains a true friend and vital strategic partner for the United States. We can applaud that. Thank you. The Taiwanese policy of no unification, no independence, and no use of force has calmed both sides across the Taiwan Straits and has allowed cooperation with the mainland to grow. And over the last 30 years, Taiwan has left authoritarianism behind and embraced freedom and reform for all of her citizens. Taiwanese Americans should be enormously proud of those achievements and the great achievements you have made in this country, and of the remarkable democratic achievements that we have seen back in Taiwan. You know, those are twin victories that deserve to be honored and celebrated. And I am honored to share this happy day with you. Thank you for all your friendship and support. And may God continue to bless Taiwan and bless the United States of America. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. We have a very special and very common token of our thanks. We will give this Taiwanese orchid to Thank you. Most of the orchid you see in the market here are from Taiwan. Taiwan is the land for this kind of plant.